Hey guys, Eric at Westcott Designs. Let's take a peek at this TRD Pro 4Runner here, Voodoo Blue, beautiful Voodoo Blue. It's featuring our Westcott Designs TRD Pro lift kit. It's got a set of 285/70/17 Nitto ridge grapplers, and then it's got a set of 20-degree DOM TIG sliders from us. So let's get a closer peek. Here's how we sit up front. Going to bring us up about 1.5 inches up front off of that TRD Pro, already 1 inch above. Then our rear puck gives you 1 inch in the rear. As I like to show here, we're going to look from behind. You can see that the positive offset on these TRD Pro wheels with the 285 sits just inside this fender line, almost flush with those 20-degree sliders up front. All right, let's look underneath here. So on the bottom of this suspension here, we have the preload collar, which is going to lift this front end about 1.5 inches up. Works directly with your OEM upper control arms, lower control arms. The thing to consider here is this is a full-size 285/70/17 spare. It is on the steel wheel, but it is something to consider if you're out wheeling and unfortunately get a flat. Best case scenario is you have something very similar that's not going to be stressing the axles or the suspension in that four-wheel drive, especially if you get one up front. It does fit, so that's why we asked, do you want 4 or 5 wheels? All right, so there you have it, guys. This is a 2019 Voodoo Blue TRD Pro with our TRD Pro lift kit, our 20-degree sliders, rock sliders, as well as a set of 285/70/17 Nitto ridge grapplers on those TRD Pro wheels.